I think furniture tends to act as an almost timeless reminder of the past, so our aim is always to retain the character and history of everything we restore. Our preservation of these physical memories is what really connects us to the future story of the piece. In fact, that's our most important challenge, because the marks and scars of use over decades, or even centuries, form the basis of a person's connection with their furniture. I think in the end, probably the thing that gives us the most pleasure is knowing that our restoration has helped preserve the memories that are contained within the piece, and maybe that we've become a small part of its history.